UNESCO, UNICEF, and WHO yesterday published updated guidance on school-related public health measures in the context of COVID-19. The guidance provides practical advice for schools in areas with no cases, sporadic cases, clusters of cases, or community transmission. Given the devastating consequences on children, youth, and our societies as a whole, the decision to close schools should be a last resort. Temporary.
The latest data that UNESCO has just produced tell us that today, half of the global student population is not yet back in schools. The longer schools remain closed, the more damaging the consequences, especially for children from more disadvantaged backgrounds who, in addition to learning, rely on school for health, for safety, and sometimes for nutrition. And we also know that when we deal with education, the decision that we make today will impact tomorrow's world. And it's also why this specific crisis is also a moment to rethink the futures of education, a worldwide reflection that we have launched and that will materialize in a final report in 2021.
However, UNICEF data shows that for at least 463 million children whose schools closed during COVID-19, there was no such thing as remote learning. So why? Because at least 1/3 of the world's school children were unable to access remote learning when COVID-19 shuttered their schools, including because of lack of internet access, computers, or mobile devices.